Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a full backup of the world folder and key files so you can revert quickly if needed. Once done, identify the exact Bedrock build you want. Write down the number, not just the name. Next, download the matching dedicated server files for that build and store them in a separate folder. Then gracefully stop your running server so files aren't in use. This prevents corruption and lets you replace binaries and resources safely. You now copy the new Bedrock server binaries into the server directory, overriding old executables but keeping the backup copies you made earlier. After that, migrate the world. If the version gap is large, run any provided conversion utilities or start the server in safe mode to let it upgrade region files. Make sure behavior and resource packs are compatible. Replace or update pack format numbers in manifest files. Finally, edit server. Properties to confirm ports, MOTD, and permission levels remain correct. You should start the server and monitor the console closely. It will print the running Bedrock build and any plugin or pack errors. Once running, join with a client using the same build and test chunks, redstone, and behavior pack features. If players report issues, stop the server and inspect logs for missing assets or manifest version mismatches. Key troubleshooting tip: if the server crashes or worlds are corrupted, immediately restore the timestamped backup and re-attempt migration step by step to isolate the incompatible component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.